Bolt is an AI agent that can perform actions on its own, so I wanted to explore it. I haven't used an AI agent before. I'm a big fan of Cursor. I'm using it every day almost. I'm also using ChatGPT. I wanted to see how these AI agents work, if they are any use, if they make you more productive. So I wanted to check out Bolt, and it's on bolt.new, and we have this page when it loads. All right, so what do you want to build? And I can enter a prompt here, I suppose. Prompt, run, edit, and deploy full stack web apps. So the difference between an AI agent and an LLM here, that can take actions on its own. So it's not just asking questions and getting answers. It can also, run the code, as I know, and also deploy your app. So it's more capable. We'll try to do those in a moment. Let's see how it will work out. And yeah, here we have some examples. We can start a block with Astro, build a mobile app with NativeScript. Not sure if that's a good idea. I wouldn't use NativeScript for a mobile app. Create a doc site with WordPress. So that's interesting actually. I wanted to check out this documentation websites and never heard of WordPress before. Scaffold UI with Shadcn. Okay, draft a presentation with slide dev. Interesting. Code a video with Remotion, or start a blank app with your favorite stack. So we have the frameworks here. Next, White Astro, NativeScript again. So creators of Bolt like NativeScript or something. We have Next, slide dev. Okay, all there they are. Bolt is integrated with these, I suppose. So we need to set up an account. Let's sign in, and we have the option to continue with GitHub. Okay, I have authenticated and got an account for myself. We're ready to try Bolt. So here maybe we can start with a simple landing page. Let's say we have a product, a startup, and we want to build a landing page for ourselves. And maybe we can start with that. Okay, create a landing page for my startup. And I think we can use React, right? Or let's not use React. Let's use something SEO friendly like Astro we can use. My startup using Astro. Okay. Waiting. Okay. So help you create a modern landing page for your startup using Astro. Clean, professional design with key sections typically needed for a startup website. Okay, that's good. And it has started creating files and running npm install. Okay, that looks good. Initial files. We have a package JSON. The dependencies has been installed and the web page is running. That was really fast. Okay, now we have our web page and looks good actually. Transform your business with innovation. We have the headline, we have a subtitle, get started, learn more. That looks good. It has created all the necessary files like components, and we have pages, layouts, and it's really good. Created a modern, responsive landing page for a startup. Okay, so can I see the files? Okay, this is preview, this is code. Nice. And this looks like a VS Code running on web. That's also nice. We have an SVG and these are assets. I believe we have the background. This could be CSS as well, but yes, let's go back to code, components, contact features. And these are Astro components. Footer, welcome, layout, Astro. So that actually looks really good. Pages we have, and we have a git ignore. In package JSON we have We're using Tailwind with Astro. Okay, that looks nice. So I'm gonna ask for it to change the landing page. And we have our terminal here. So this says bold and terminal. Can I type in? So who am I? Not found. Interesting. We have this one. Yeah. I don't know why we don't have who am I. Because who am I, right? Who am I on Linux? All right. It says bold. Not sure what bold. So yeah, this is. Can I type in here? Yeah. It's like maybe the terminal that bold controls, I guess. And we can type in our commands. What do we have? So where are we currently? Home project. Okay, this is like just a normal terminal. And we also have a bold folder. I wonder what's in it. La, let's do config. We have a config. Let's see what configs has. Template Astro. Yeah, it's I think it's used the template of Astro, I think. All right, let's go back. Clear. All right, here it says, I'm importing your Stack Blitz project into Bolt. This may take a moment as I set everything up. It's a Stack Blitz project. That's interesting. Importing a Stack Blitz project. Is it like a template? Import SP1 and install dependencies. Start. Okay, so I think according to what I ask in the prompt, tries to find a matching template and it installs it. In this case, it found a template of Astro and it installed that. Okay, that looks nice. So let's try to make some changes. Let's say this is for a mobile app and we want to add download buttons for Google Play Store and App Store. Let's do that. So this startup is for a mobile app. Add download buttons for Google Play Store and App Store. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's modifying the hero section. App Store download buttons, adjust the messaging to focus on the mobile app. Yeah, it's also changing other parts according to a mobile app. Yeah, we got the buttons. Download on the App Store. It looks really good. Your app name, we can enter an app name here. And the subtitle has changed. App features now we have. It's really good. It's really good. I want to see the hero section, so this is layout, so this is hero. It found an SVG from Wikipedia. Wikimedia is found this icon and also found the Google Play Store icon and used them in the hero section. Okay. Now I want to make more changes and involve some interactivity. I wonder if we can add any animations. Maybe we can add like a fade in animation. When we scroll, the components fade in. They will appear as we scroll. So maybe we can do that. Try that. Add some, or let's just say add some animations without explaining more. Add some animations. Let's see what happens. Okay. So it added new packages, changing layout. Okay, making more changes. It's changing all components to add animations. Yeah, fade up. Okay, I think it's gonna do what we wanted to do. There we go. That is really good. Can I refresh? Yeah. I'm happy. Looks nice. And we have a gradient on buttons. Good one. Okay, your company. Yes, this is my landing page. Okay, and we have our landing page here. Let's change the app name. Also, it will be our first edit on the code. Do I need to go to hero for that? Should be around here. yeah, your app name. Let's change it, and I want to change this, and yeah, we have an Ask Bolt button. Let's see what it does. So yeah, it highlighted that section, and we have a chance to change it. Suggest me an app name. Yeah, Zenflow. Okay. Oh, it's changing other files as well. So like it changed all other files to match the name of the app. But this is a behavior of Vault that I noticed. It changes other files as well. Okay, it looks good. It looks like a nice landing page, and Bolt has been able to create a landing page successfully.